Welcome, danglers, to your 90-second crash course on one of the boldest fish in the freshwater, the Longear sunfish. Small but striking, the Longear sunfish, or Lepomis megalotus, is famous for its vivid blue-green body and fiery orange belly, and those long, ear-like flaps on the gill cover. Think tropical fish meets country creek. They usually reach about 4 to 6 inches long and weigh just a few ounces, but they punch well above their weight and attitude. Look for them in clear, warm water such as streams, creeks, and weed-choked ponds, along the edges, especially around logs, rocks, and brush piles. They are aggressive and fearless, known to chase lures half their size, perfect for ultralight fishing or teaching the kids how to fish. Their menu? Bugs, small crustaceans, snails, and tiny fish. Toss in a worm, cricket, or small fly, or any lure that mimics that, and you've got a great day of fishing on your hands. Longear aren't giants, but they're colorful, combative, and will beat the skunk any day. A true gem in North America's freshwater lineup. Tight lines out there, and remember, small fish, big fun.